everybody, this is Tisa with Green Organic Love, and I am just wanting to show you what this heat wave has done to my garden, what's expected and what's also unexpected. As I have been in the house, I've not been out here. It has been temperatures in the 108 degrees, which is definitely not okay for my asthma and allergies. So it's evening now, approximately 6, and I wanted to just come and check on my plant life and see if there was anything that had made it that was surviving. Turn on the water to a few things as I am out here. I do smell some things that might be dead, but I don't know what that is exactly. I have not been watering. I have not been doing anything out here. So I just wanted to share with you all what's thriving and what's not thriving. One of the things that I found that has been very surprising out here in the garden is this corn. This is corn that's here. And although I don't see any corn, it seems to be still growing. So don't know what that is, or why it still seems to be thriving without water. But here it is, straight backs. The succulents seem to be okay. I did come out here last week and put some water on briefly while it had cooled down. And when I say cooled down, it was probably in the still hundreds, maybe 102-degree weather. But this is what you have. Succulents are okay. They're not dead. I'm really shocked that there's still some life, some green going on here with these peppers. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah. There's something out here that's dead. I don't know what it is, but I can smell it. Yeah. Oh, shoot, there was a fly on my hand. I don't stand flies. You know we don't stand no bugs out here. Yep, this is what's up with the sunflowers in this kind of weather. Ooh. This is a shocker. Look at this zucchini plant still apparently thriving out here. Yeah, it looks real good. The grapevine seems to be doing okay. It's not dead, so that's a shocker. At least a week. I don't know what that is. I know that's a purple glove, but next to it, what is that? Looks like some sort of a tree, but that is right next to it. Seems to be a tomato plant, and the fact that it still has green on it and I haven't watered it in and about a week is amazing. There's the vine back there, not doing good. I gotta hurry up and get in, y'all. It's still right at around 100 while I'm out here. Let's see. Yep. Tomatoes. I need to get those. But yeah, this is the fact that any of this is green is just amazing because I haven't watered it. I haven't been out here. It's health risk to me. But coming back around here. I don't know what that dead smell is, but I want to show you guys what happened with the eggplant. I couldn't come out here to water it, but it looked like it's drying out. Look at that. You know when you don't have to bring it in and it just dries out like a raisin right on the vine. Check that out. Can you see it? Yeah, it's just drying. That's funny that one is just drying, but look at this one, is really good. This one is dried out too, so I can see which one is getting all the energy. Look at this different plant that's thriving. Looked like something came out and ate that up, but yeah. This is really the first year I see some limes on here. There's a few. Make sure I water this really good tonight. But this is the first year, very, very, very first year that I actually got nothing throughout the whole summer off this lime tree. When I first got here, this lime tree, and it's grown, always was full of limes, and I can still see limes all over it. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's limes all over it, but I haven't got one off of it this year so far. Rose bush dead. I haven't watered it. It'll be back though. Watering my kale. I still ran out here once or twice last week to grab some kale to juice. That kale is everlasting. It's really, 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 really good. I hope to get some more just like it this fall. I have not started my fall garden, but I will. Yeah, I have not started it yet, but I will. I'm going to start quite a few things this coming week. Yep, a lot of this. Shocking that is the lone sweet potato vine, purple sweet potato. I wonder what's at the end of that. Really shocking. I think this part of my kumquat tree is dead. I think that died, but the rest of it around it is still okay. It just needs some water. But this part of it right here is dead. Fortunately, it's not the whole tree. As you can see right there, there was some air layering going on that I have not still failed to take care of. But as you can see, we still have quite a few kumquats coming despite the heat. Some have just dried off, as you can see. But anywho, this is what it's like out here, y'all. I haven't been out here in days. Seriously. Like I said, it's not good for my health. This is what the peaches look like. The birds got to it. Couldn't come out here and get them. I did harvest a few, but when it's cool, I am actually going to be harvesting some of these leaves because there's so much beneficial nutrients in the leaves alone. And I want to say this when I wait a minute, hold on, y'all, hold on. This tree, if you go back and look at my videos, you will see me talk about this tree. This tree has not produced anything since I've been here. I knew that it was some kind of a citrus tree because of the leaves, but this is the first. Oh my goodness. goodness. I see all kinds of stuff on it. 1, 2, 3. And then if you look a little bit higher, they're all the way up. This is the first time, and I promise you, I was about to take this tree out. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Patience. This is the very first time this tree has fruit on it. First time. First time. And I think the app that I used said it was grapefruit. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm about to water this tree. I've been here for 2.5 years. First time, and I see fruit all over it. Fruit all over. I saw no flowers, by the way. None flowers. No flowers, no blooms, no bees, no nothing. OMG. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked. And as you can see, it is some sort of a citrus. But I don't, what kind of citrus, I don't know. But I am so excited. Oh my goodness. And by the way, you guys, this is the season finale of my summer garden series. I will be coming back to you with the fall series. And what an awesome, wonderful surprise. There is always a surprise in the garden. I never expected this whatsoever. So excited. But I was going to tell you the benefit of the peach tree. When I was little, my grandmother used to cook all kinds of stuff, all kinds of goodies and all kinds of treats and all kinds of stuff. And she would, at the end of the day, gather up her dehydrated peach tree leaves and make a tea with them. And she had diabetes. And so by the time she got done indulging in her awesome, amazing, beautiful cooking, no one has ever been able to come to her greens and her any of the other cooking, her dumplings, none of that. But anyway, after she indulged in her cooking, she determined that her sugar or her blood sugar levels was high. She would get this tea, these peach tree leaves, and she would make herself a tea. And by the end of the night, within a couple of hours, her blood sugar levels would be down. Kid you not, because guess why? I was the one taking it. Her blood sugar levels would be somewhere about 300-400. By the time she got done drinking this tea from these peach leaves and settling down, it would be in the 130 range. So I personally know that there is definitely benefits in peach leaves. And so this year I decided, because I did go ahead and purchase a pretty nice dehydrator, one that would not, go bad on me overnight. I got a good one. I will be dehydrating some leaves and drinking some myself, even though I don't have any type of high blood pressure or diabetes. Sometimes I do feel when I'm overly stressed, like I've been stressed out about my garden, those levels can be somewhat elevated. And because we are all in school, including myself, and the children have also or will also be in my gardening for children, Green Organic Love. For some of you guys who have not seen that, we do have a whole new channel for the children. It's called Green Organic Love Kids, and that was brought on by my daughter, my youngest daughter, Tiana, as well as my grandsons, Caden and Cole. They want a garden, and so they will be. And if you would like to submit a video with your child gardening, that will be featured on our Green Organic Love Kids Gardening channel. It's not going to be exclusively just for them, but we want to showcase all of the children who enjoy gardening. So submit that to Green Organic Love Kids at gmail.com, your video, and we'll post that on there. Also, we will be I have developed a curriculum just for children and gardening, so if you would like to join, more information will be available soon. But yes, those are the things that we are doing right now. We are busy, we are very busy, but yeah, so grow with love, everybody. And this is, let me come over here just for a second to see what's going on this side of the garden. See what I like I said, I have not been out here. This is another tree that hasn't had no production, so soon. And I can tell that's citrus by the leaves, I can tell. So maybe soon. I was gonna cut all that stuff down, but who knows. My peach tree, I have been too sick to dig a hole for it. My white peach tree is still there. This stuff seems to be thriving, coming along. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, hell no. Oh, you coming at me like that? I'm gonna have to cut that part out. We're gonna cut that out, hopefully. Peppermint always doing okay. I know I don't like no bugs. Oh, goodness gracious me. How is this pomegranate doing? Oh, let me see. I haven't been out here to check on you. Still green. I don't think it's right. It's only 2 of them. Let me see. I think it's only 2. Everyone, I think they need to be about red. So, I need to put some water on it. I think it's only 2 of them. But that's still good. All right, y'all. This is what's going on this side. Before anything else attack me, I'm gonna have to go on the inside. Oh. Oh. I got some peppers coming, and them is greens back there. Woo. Grow with love, everybody. But I'm gonna have to go in because I can't be having these bugs out here attacking me. Y'all know I don't like no bugs.